Well, hello kids. It's me, the Red Panther. Day 2 of the flood. I'm standing on the banks of the Wapsi. The Wapsi River is flooding this area, and it's going to get worse. A lot of rain up north is going to come down yet and bring this up even farther. I was here yesterday in the rain and try to get a perspective. I don't know if you can see the bridge. Water's coming up. Talk about global warming. I don't know what the deal is, but boy, there are some climate changes seemingly. A flood in August. It's kind of weird. I'm standing by Fairyland, a place where people have receptions, and there's a restaurant and a bar there, and this is old news to them. I'm sure it's not good news, but they've built a wall around that place, and they have a pump. You can see the pump over there, but the water's almost coming over the banks. Well, it's seeped in, but it's almost coming over the bank here, which would be kind of incredible. But there you have it. The flood part, whoops, that's not good. Look at that. It wants to see my pores. This is the flood part, I don't know, 7, I can't remember, 6, can't remember where I left off. But it isn't raining now, but amazingly, the clouds are still with us. They say it's not going to rain. We hope it doesn't, but you know, in a sense, it's a moot or a mute point, because that water was high up north. All the creeks and stuff around here empty into this Wapsi, and the Wapsi empties into the Mississippi, so I don't know what that means for the people south of here. Well, anyway, kids, I'll show you some more, hopefully on the other side. This is gonzo journalism at its worst or best. That's a term invented by I'll think of his name in a second. He wrote Fear and Loathing with the Hells Angels. Well, it doesn't come to me. That's what happens when you cross 60. You start forgetting things. And that's why I take these videos and pictures, so that when I get Alzheimer's, I'll play this stuff, and then I might remember it. It's a kind of a therapy I've invented. Well, maybe other people have done it, I don't know. But I see it coming. I see where when you get older you start forgetting things, and I'm going to have these pictures and these videos to shock my mind back to the future. Arnold used to say, you got to shock the muscle, and I'm gonna shock the mind with hours and hours of this stuff. Well, maybe I'll be back tomorrow, maybe not. I don't know. The water's over the road up that way. That would be north, and who knows. Well, kids, this is more in the Life in Iowa series. I know some of you people live in places where this stuff doesn't happen, and it would be amazing to have this kind of water in some countries, and it all just sort of goes down the river. I think we should try to divert some of it, save it, make lakes. Why let it just go down into the ocean? We're gonna need water down the road, down the stream. Water's gonna be scarce, fresh water. It's a matter of time. We need to conserve it and keep it. We need lakes, canals. Why let it just run over the banks? You know, we could be putting this into giant lakes. And of course we could fish and swim in them, I guess. I wouldn't, I just look at them. I don't feel like swimming. Fishing's boring. Take pictures of it. Well, there you go, kids. This is August 28th, Friday, 2009. It's just about noon, a little past noon, here in Iowa. Once again at Fairyland, which soon probably will be surrounded by water. Just a matter of time. Shut off the pumps and get the sandbags ready. Red Panther out.